Guys, this video contains the prerequisite steps for those users who are new to service development and have not set up their local environment for the development. So there are three things which you need to set it up. So JDK, Maven, and Eclipse IDE. So IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It's the editor where you'll write the code. So Eclipse is a good for Java development. So as I'm using Mac for this tutorial, I'll show you the steps for Mac, but it's more or less same steps for the Windows. So let's start for the Mac and just open your terminal. So a few things which you need to test. First is just type java minus versions. As I've already set it up, so mine it will show. But if you don't have JDK installed in a machine, you'll get a Java command not found and all. So for that, what you need to do, you can go to Google and type download JDK. So you'll get this Oracle, it will redirect to Oracle link and the website. From here, you will see the options. And if it is Mac, so Mac OS X, this one is 247.06 MB and JDK Java Development Kit 8151. So basically, this is JDK 1.8. You just need to accept the license agreement and click on install, whatever you want it. So then once it is downloaded, the DMG file, you need to extract it and can install the DMG. And once you install, you can come to the command line and see. You can exit the command line and type again java-v, java- versions to see the Java versions. If you don't, then you need to set that Java home. So if you look at here, the Java home, I have already set it up. So for you, you can do export java underscore home like this. I'll show you you need to open the bash profile from machine. And then if you look at here, you need to do like this way, export java underscore home, user lib exe / java underscore home. Or you can do like this way also, the direct full path of your Java home where it is installed. Then you can come to export path equal to $path : $java underscore home / bin. So this is the steps for Java installation. Now for the Maven, you can go to Google and type download Apache Maven. Then you can download the Maven and install the same way, and you can set the path and all in your bash profile. Then can exit from the terminal and reopen the terminal and see the effect. You can type ambient minus version like so you should see this details about Maven, right? So this is about Mac. And for Eclipse, you need to create a workspace in your local, either in C drive, D drive, wherever you want, or in desktop. Then I have installed Eclipse Oxygen. The version is Oxygen. You can go to Google and type download Eclipse. So you need Eclipse IDE for Java EE. So you can go to this Eclipse website, and here you can go to Eclipse IDE for Java EE developer. Then Oxygen package, the time when I'm recording, Oxygen package is the latest one. So you can click on this, and if it is Mac, you can click on this Mac OS X. But if you're using Windows 64-bit or 32-bit, based on your requirements, you can just download that one. And once you download, you can open Eclipse. And right now I have the folder called spring-tutorial in my home folder. Or you can go to any folder wherever you create your workspace, click on browse and you can go to that folder and click on launch. So when you click on launch here, so you'll get this Eclipse workbench. Click on this workbench. You'll see all your projects over here. If you want to import your project, you can go ahead and click on import, and wherever your project is, you can import that existing Maven project. If it is a Maven project, you can click on that Maven project. Okay, you can browse and click on that Maven project wherever you are, right? So that's all about Eclipse for Mac. So for Windows users, you just need to listen carefully what I'm trying to say. So first, when you download the JDK from the Oracle website, you'll get a .exe file that will be downloaded for you in your local. So you need to run that .exe file to install in your local in your Windows machine. So by default, when you will try to install, it will try to install inside your C colon program files directory. So just click on next and install it. So once it is installed, go to that file explorer and check inside the C program files directory whether the Java is installed or not, right? So if it is present, then the next step is go to the system and set the environment variables for the JDK. I hope you know how to set up the environment variable. If you are not aware of, then go to system and then click on advanced system settings. Once you click on that advanced system settings, you will see the environment variables button in the bottom section. Maybe in the bottom section the environment variables button will be there. So click on that. You will see an user variable and system variables in the next page, on the next pop-up. So in the system variable section, there is a button called new. So click on that new button. You'll get a pop-up with variable name and variable value. So in the variable name section, type Java home in capital letter, Java underscore home. Okay. In the value section, copy the location of your Java folder. For example, if it is under C program files slash backward slash Java backward slash JDK 1.8 something, just copy the same location and then put it in the variable value section and then click on OK. So now in the system variable section, there is a path. Search for path and click on that path and then click on edit. So you will see the variable name and value. Variable name will be path and variable value it will contain many stuff. So come to the end of the line in the value section and then give a semicolon and then type same Java underscore home in capital letter, then backward slash bin. Okay, and likewise the same steps for Maven. So download Maven from Apache, then install it and set the environment variable as I repeated for Java home section. Once the environment variable is set, then go to your command prompt and type Java minus versions and type mvn minus versions. You should see the data. If you're still facing the issues, you can go to Google and type search for setting of your JDK or setting of your Maven for Windows, right? So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching.